So, sorry I didn't get to you guys midweek. That would have been last night, Wednesday. But there's been so much going on. I've been having some technical issues with the Peterbilt. And so we're actually on our way to Peterbilt right now. It's having electrical problems. I don't know. The horn decided it wanted to go off on its own. People looked at me like I was a jerk going down the road. That was just great. Then it decided it wanted to throw it in the neutral while I'm going down the highway. So we took it in there to get it checked. Well, turns out there's a hole on the back side of the block that nobody could see. So now they're talking, I get a new engine. Wow. So midweek, wow, that was a good bump. Midweek is turning into me having the rest of the week off. Because, well, Friday, I'm going to go take my daughter to the father-daughter dance. Well, I didn't want to miss that, so I was telling them, well, maybe I'll just take the rest of the week off. Well, now it's mandatory. The truck's going to be down. So we're on our way to do that. My back is feeling better. But we've been running errands and trying to get some stuff done today that we needed to get done. And by chance, I had an ingrown toenail on my foot. That has turned into a little bit of a problem. I'm taking antibiotics to clear that up, and there'll be more on that. So I mean, just one thing after another. There's Peterbilt right there. We're gonna go over there. We're gonna look at the truck, see how that's going. Try to get this video out today. Which, if you're watching it on Thursday, then that means I got it out. So we'll see you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna see if maybe they're taking that engine out. I might get a couple video shots of it being taken out because I got to get a couple things out of the truck anyway. So we'll see you guys in just a second. Well, there it is. They are really getting ready to pull that out. That is just freaking crazy. I've driven this truck almost 60,000 miles. They got this big old crane right here and pull the whole thing out. They wasted no time. They started on this morning. Either this morning or, yeah, it had to have been. So, all right. I got to get a few things out of here and we're going to head back to the house. So we made it back to the house. And now we're going to fight.
I always go down. But he usually wins.
Mine went off. Yours went off too. Kathleen. Kathleen.
What, Father?
I am your father.
I know.
I know. Ah! Ah! You got my thing stuck in there. Ah! Okay, let's get back to the regularly scheduled program. Look at my wife's butt. This thing won't focus. What are you cooking?
Grilled cheese with tomato soup.
Heck yeah, Mama's got it going on. You guys ever do that? Tomato soup with grilled cheese? Oh, that's the best thing in the whole wide world right there. We appreciate you.
Good comfort food.
All right, let's go on. Told you guys, this TV right here, I got it at Goodwill for $32. It's a 40-inch flat screen smart TV. Only thing wrong with it was the sound didn't work on it. So we put it hooked up to a sound bar, and it works freaking perfect. The truck is not going to be done probably till not tomorrow Friday, but all the way to the next week Friday. That's what's going on with that, because they're pulling that motor and they don't know where the motor is actually coming from. It's on order, so now they got to wait to find out where the motor is and when it'll be here. So they're gonna give me a loaner truck. I'll try to film that. I'm gonna go pick up that tomorrow on Friday, so that'll be part of the next video. As for this weekend, like I said, I got father-daughter dance tomorrow night. We all are going to go to Jurassic Quest in Little Rock, which is a dinosaur show. It's really cool. We'll bring you guys to that and see how much we can get done on the truck, if anything. So we've been enjoying the day-to-day family time, having a good time. Stop. Stop. Please.
Okay.
Can you sit normal?
Yeah.
All right. So you can come over here with me. That's fine.
You said sit.
I know, but you're acting all crazy.
I know, because I'm excited.
Well, okay. She's excited about going to the Jurassic Quest. But that's what's going on. I don't really know exactly what else to seriously talk about. That's the update for right now. Got all the food out of the truck and brought it home. Tomorrow I'll be going to go pick up the truck, whatever truck they're giving me, and move some of my things from my truck over to the loaner truck. That way I'll be comfortable for the next week at least. And so yeah, there's that. You guys enjoy the rest of your evening. I will see you guys probably, I don't think late Saturday night. It'll be, well, either late Saturday night or Sunday will be the next video that'll be uploaded. And we'll see how that goes. But yeah, we'll talk to you guys later. Peace out. Always stop by Goodwill. You never know what you're going to find.